Hello everybody and welcome back to Hardcore Fishing with Hewlin. Today we're back up on the river and we got a real early start this morning. It's 39 degrees, but looks like the sun's gonna come out and warm everything up. We caught the limit yesterday, and today I got Connor fishing with me. Me and him try to get together and fish a couple times each year, and we're out here in the John boat this morning. We're gonna ease around, see if we can't catch some. We're gonna try to keep that sun out of your eyes as best we can, but we're going to try to show you some crappie too. So we're going to get after them here. We got the same old jig we had on yesterday. Chartreuse head and hot pink skirt with a blue and white trailer, and Connor is fishing with a pink and chartreuse, and we've already picked up 5, but we only had 1 keeper, and but we're hoping we're going to really put it on today, so we're going to see how we do. Wow.
There was one in
He just hatched out. Well, that's 4-year class of fish we caught this morning.
That one ain't been with us long, has it?
No. And a keeper.
We quiet looks like. I'm afraid he's gonna be short.
Yeah, he's gonna be short. Ladies and gentlemen, that is not my net. I take no responsibility for it being in the boat with me this morning.
Won't be far off him, keeper.
If I don't get him unhooked, it ain't gonna matter. Now, he's about 10 inches, maybe 11.
He's touching that line.
Really? Let me get up there where he's leading now. Dang, he is a keeper.
Yeah.
How about that? That son gun just barely. That son gun just barely touched it. I mean, really, it did feel like he smelt it instead of biting it. Yeah. There he is. I think that might keep if I can get him to you.
I'm gonna say he will.
I'm gonna say he won't. No, I think he will. He's a chunk though. Ah, yeah, maybe.
That hook's short.
That's good. I'm glad to hear it.
Be still.
Don't bruise him.
Oh yeah.
All right. And the crappie whisperer strikes again.
Do what?
The crappie whisperer strikes again.
Let me get this net out of your way.
Yeah, get that net out.
That one wasn't coming off, but you don't ever know till you get them up to you.
That's it.
You started catching them.
Yeah.
He ain't cheap, but he might be close. I don't think so.
Probably not. Here comes a catfisherman on the four-wheeler.
It's hard to say on these when you catch a big one like that. They
Yeah,
look
makes them little ones look mighty small.
11 3/4.
11 3/4. I'm gonna pull up a little bit where you can get out there around that stump. I think he will.
He's close, isn't he?
Yeah. Caught it in the bottom lip. Dang, I can't get it out of his bottom lip there. Yeah, he might be long enough.
Nope.
Nope.
11 3/4.
11 3/4. It ain't a keeper, but I don't know. Nah, he ain't a
It's
keeper.
gonna be 11 3/4.
Another 11 3/4. Hung on down there that deep.
Yeah, that's crazy. See a little over 11 3/4.
All right, everybody, that's what we caught today. We didn't have but 10 keepers, and we didn't have no huge fish, but we had some good fish. So maybe we'll do better next time. But that's pretty good for us today. I think our big fish today was maybe 13.5 inches. So, but that's a good solid fish. But anyway, thanks for watching. Y'all subscribe if you would.